Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Greenville, Texas? Look no further than Use My Trailer and Services. We provide top-quality dumpsters for all your waste management needs, whether a home renovation, a construction project, or a significant cleanout. Our range of dumpster sizes ensures that we have the perfect solution for any job, big or small. Our dumpsters are designed to handle various materials, including construction debris, household junk, yard waste, and more. At Use My Trailer and Services, we make our rental process easy and convenient. Visit our website, select your desired dumpster size, and schedule delivery. We take care of the rest. Our professional team ensures timely delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on your project without any hassles. We pride ourselves on our exceptional customer service and competitive pricing. With Use My Trailer and Services, you can expect prompt, friendly service and flexible rental periods that work around your schedule. We make it easy to keep your project on track and your property clean. Need a reliable dumpster for your next project? Visit our website at www.usemytrailertx.com. Dumpster Rental Greenville TX, or call 469-569-5585 to book your dumpster rental and experience the best waste management services. Use My Trailer and Services, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Greenville, Texas.